Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel and welcome to another Test It Out Tuesday video. Now before I jump into this video, if you are watching this when I upload it, I do currently have a giveaway going on. I posted it last week when I did my Test It Out Tuesday update video, so I will link that video down below. I'll also throw it up in the cards if I can, but if you want information about that giveaway, or if you just want to hear an update on the 3 previous Tested Out Tuesday products that I tried, go ahead and watch that video. Otherwise, today is the second video in my drugstore week. So welcome to drugstore week. This is something that I decided I wanted to do to kind of challenge myself to use more drugstore products. The more I've kind of been getting into makeup, the more I've kind of geared towards high-end products. But I decided I wanted to challenge myself to do a whole week full of drugstore products, and so today's Tested Out Tuesday is actually a drugstore eyebrow pencil. This is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil Crayon. It's in the shade Auburn, and this is supposed to be a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. So I'm going to go ahead and leave timestamps down below in case you're interested in just a certain portion of this video. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get started. I want to start by giving you a little bit of information about this NYX brow pencil. First of all, I did pick this up at Ulta Beauty, and it's actually $9.99, but as I'm filming this video, and I am pre-filming a little bit, so the sale may no longer be valid, but as I'm filming, it is on sale for $6.99 at Ulta Beauty. So even when this video posts, if that sale is not going on, I do know that Ulta usually does a lot of sales, and typically NYX can be like buy one, get one 50% off. So if you are looking to catch a deal, I mean, this is already under $10, but you can keep a lookout on Ulta Beauty's website, watch what NYX is doing, and I'm sure you can probably find this on sale another time as well. Now, when I am looking at the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, it does have information about the product on here. So it does say that there are 0.09 grams. It says that this is good for 12 months and that it is made in South Korea. So when I compare that to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, the Brow Wiz is also made in Korea, but it is 0.085 grams, and this comes with a $20 price tag, I believe. I should have looked that up. If I'm wrong, I will put the price on the screen, but I know that it's around $20. So the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, you're actually getting a tiny bit more product for about half the price. So if you ask me, that's a pretty good deal. Now, I am typically someone who just sticks to my ABH brow products because being a natural redhead, I have a really hard time finding eyebrow products that match my natural color. Sometimes I find that they're too red or too orange or not red enough, and so it's just kind of been something where I found a shade that works for me, so I just kind of stick with it. But if I can find a product that I can get for half the price that works for me, I'm all about that. So let's go ahead and jump into the demo. I'm actually going to do one eyebrow with the NYX pencil and one eyebrow with the Anastasia pencil. That way we can compare the two. Okay, so I feel like the only way for me to really tell how I feel about this NYX Micro Brow Pencil is to actually do one eyebrow with the NYX eyebrow pencil and then to do the other eyebrow with my Anastasia pencil, and that way I'll be able to compare and see what I think about it. So I'm going to go ahead and use my NYX Micro Brow Pencil. Again, I have the shade Auburn, and I'm going to use this brow pencil to fill in my left eyebrow, and I'm doing that on purpose because I feel like my left eyebrow is the eyebrow that is usually a little bit easier for me. And because I know how I feel about the Anastasia Brow Wiz, I want to go ahead and give this guy a fair shot and give him a 1-up with the good eyebrow, if you know what I mean. Okay, so right off the bat, I can tell you that this Auburn shade is very orange, and so far I don't like it, and I think I'm going to not like it, but I'm gonna finish my eyebrow, I'm gonna fill it in, but I think I probably would be better off with maybe a soft brown or something like that, because I don't really need my eyebrows looking orange. Okay, I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but this is super, super orange. Like, I would never wear this. I would never wear this shade out in public. And this is one of the main reasons why I stick with my Anastasia Brow Wiz instead of branching out and trying drugstore brands and trying Benefits brows, because of the shade range. Like, it is so hard for me to find a really good shade range for my eyebrow pencils. So I just stick with what I know. And I'm really tempted to just wipe this off, but I'm gonna go ahead with my Brow Wiz in the shade Caramel, and I'm gonna fill in this eyebrow so that you guys can hopefully tell the difference between the two.
It's delicious.
Okay, so I can totally tell in person the difference. Like, this is my Anastasia, this is the shade Caramel. I feel like it matches my natural hair color perfectly. Like, I don't think that I could ask for a better shade. The Auburn is very orange, very, very orange. So I don't know if I need to try a taupe. I don't know if I need to try light brown or soft brown or whatever, but Auburn, definitely not my shade. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to hop off camera. I'm gonna fix this brow because I can't do it, and then I will give you my thoughts on the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. Okay, so you might have noticed my eyebrow is no longer orange. I did have to use a makeup remover to kind of take the orange off, and I actually just have my ABH Brow Wiz on both eyebrows right now. But let's go ahead and talk about this NYX Micro Brow Pencil for a minute. Aside from the fact that the shade was not correct, I did really like this pencil. I felt like the texture was very, very similar to the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and I also felt like it applied really nicely. It wasn't tugging on the brow, it wasn't too waxy, but it was just waxy enough that it was definitely giving me some brow-like strokes and sticking to the skin, because I have very, very thin brows, so I typically have to overdraw my brow, so I need something that's not just going to stick to my actual brow hairs, but also to the skin. And I felt like this brow pencil did that. And for 10 bucks, that's a really good deal, especially considering the fact that I normally spend double that for my Brow Wiz. However, the shade did not work out for me, so I'm actually going to return the Auburn, and I'm going to try, I really don't know what color I would be. I might try like the taupe or the blonde and see if that works, but I do kind of want to play around, because if I can find my shade, then I feel like this is probably going to be a really good option for me. But I would love to know what you guys think in the comments down below. Have you tried this? Is anybody a natural redhead, and what shade do you use? Because Auburn was a little bit too orange for me, but I would love to hear your thoughts on this brow pencil down below. My Test It Out Tuesday series is a first impression, so that is the first time that I've tried this brow product, and I'm not going to continue to use the Auburn, but like I said, hopefully I can return it and find a color that matches me just a little bit better, and then I will be able to go ahead and continue using it. So if you're not already subscribed, you will want to make sure you do so before you go, because I typically film 3 Test It Out Tuesday videos where I'm testing out some products, and then my 4th video is an update video where I update you on my final thoughts and give you much more of a review. So you'll definitely want to stick around, stay tuned. That should be coming up in about a month or so. Otherwise, that's it for this Test It Out Tuesday video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, you can let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.